Welcome back to the Auto Master, your destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we dive into the highly anticipated return of an icon, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A modern reinterpretation of the classic coupe that once ruled the roads with elegance and flair, the new Karmann Ghia brings back the charm of the original while blending it with modern performance, comfort, and technology. Volkswagen has brilliantly retained the soul of the Karmann Ghia's timeless design while updating it with sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic curves, and a refined coupe profile. The low-slung silhouette and sculpted body lines pay homage to the classic model, while the front grille and rear diffuser are more aggressive and functional, giving it a sporty yet nostalgic vibe. Alloy wheels with a vintage-inspired twist and chrome accents complete the striking exterior that effortlessly turns heads. Under the hood, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is equipped with a hybrid electric powertrain that combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor for a total output of around 280 horsepower. This setup ensures an optimal balance between performance and fuel efficiency. It offers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and a drive mode selector that allows switching between eco, comfort, and sport modes. The ride is both spirited and composed, with adaptive suspension providing excellent road feedback and control. Inside the cabin, Volkswagen has created an environment that blends retro charm with futuristic functionality. The dashboard is a modern take on the classic layout, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a centrally mounted 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. High-quality materials such as soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting elevate the experience. Seating is ergonomically designed with ample support for long drives, and rear seat accessibility has been improved despite the coupe layout. Advanced driver assistance systems have been integrated, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Safety has been a top priority in this revival, ensuring peace of mind while enjoying every journey. The Ghia also comes equipped with connected car features, over-the-air updates, a premium sound system, and a head-up display to keep drivers informed without distraction. Volkswagen's decision to bring back the Karmann Ghia has not only revived a piece of automotive history, but has done so with a sense of purpose and progress. This car speaks to enthusiasts who value tradition and innovation equally. It's a car for drivers who appreciate timeless beauty with modern power. So if you're as excited about the return of the Karmann Ghia as we are, make sure to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, features, and the latest car news. This is Auto Master, where driving passion meets the future.